What up, Team Buckhouse? We are at the bottom of St. Mary's Glacier. This is a permanent snowfield here in Colorado that just absolutely fills up in snow during the winter, and then you can basically snowboard it year-round. So we got a little bit of a hike ahead of us. I've done this many times with Sean, who's flying a drone in as we speak. All the drone shots in this video are from this guy right here. And Cody, Nate, and the boys all slept up there last night. So enough talking. Let's head up there and let's go snowboard. Sean also makes drone videos, so check out his channel. Found Tristan. He was just like there, so we're bringing him along. Now what? Have all the microphones, Sean, so whatever you were saying, you're as dumb as me climbing that stick. So normally the hike up is super quick and super easy, but Sean was swearing that there is some type of waterfall over here.
But I hear it.
But he forgot. We have snowboards to our backs. Dude, we're in these trees.
Just put them down. It's right here.
Nah, let's go.
Just
we got this. I'm gonna bang around in here.
Let me take.
Like, it is a waterfall, but I want to climb over there.
No, we're gonna go up here. Do you need a hand?
I don't need a hand, baby. I don't need a hand. Get out of here, dude.
I mean,
You clearly didn't watch our paddleboarding down a river video. We almost died in the river. Alright, the waterfall was cool. Well, let's get to the lake. Alright guys, we've made it to the lake. And a little chunk of snow. This is actually the least amount of snow that I've seen. So today is going to be interesting and different, which is never a bad thing. Tristan!
Never back down, never what?
What? They're the boys. Where the guys are at? What up, dude? Little D! That's a cool hat.
What up? What up?
Dude, these guys slept here.
Backcountry Damon. We actually slept here.
I'm doing great here. 270. Ah! Guys, you're way more tolerable with your frisbee. I'm not afraid of getting stabbed. Damon's claiming backflip today off the rock into the water.
Whoa.
I can't believe he's that crazy.
I never said that. There was no. Where's the footage? Roll back the footage.
Crazy. Oh, roll back Damon's footage. Here we go.
Johnathan,
Sean's telling me I took a bad thumbnail. And he's using Damon as an example.
Johnathan, no.
This is what happens when you hang out with Sean. He makes you.
Johnathan.
All right, enough talk. We got a little bit left of a walk to get to the top of snow, and we're gonna send it. So here we go. How you doing, little D?
Skis suck.
You see, now this is nice. I'm kind of excited though, it's steep. So normally you can go up this valley and ride a lot. This is like nothing, but that's okay, guys. Is it August? Well, we already have an August day, whatever. We're snowboarding in August. A lot of people are looking at us like we're crazy. Even though this is a very popular Colorado, like come ski and rip it, there's still people that show up and they're like, what do you do?
Damon and I have probably seen 30 people come up and down this
Today.
since we got here last night. There was people doing it at night.
Oh dude, people love this. We dressing up right here?
I am.
I'm coming to here. This is, see now this is nice. If you're ever doing any hiking, carabiner for the boots, hook it to the little handle at the top of your backpack. That's how you do that. Dummy bucket. A lot of people would question the pants. You don't need them, you know, it's hot. But for sheer appearance wise, you look so stupid when you snowboard without snowboard pants.
Like it emphasizes the fact that like it's the middle of summer.
I'm gonna let the dirt do the talking. Do you see any snow above where we're at? So once again, we got Sean on a drone and he's gonna go see if there's more snow up top and if we should go up there or ride what we're looking at.
About 3 times as long of a run as that one.
That's all I need to know. All right, we're gonna go hit that. He said there it's 3 times as long if we go past there's like a melt out section, but there's more snow up there. So heck yeah, we're going more higher. We're going higher. We're going up. All right, let's get this. There it is, more snow. I'm just gonna make this known to anyone that comes and does this. This trash can was not put here for you to put trash in. Someone brought this up to like jib and ride, and then someone moved it over here, and now everyone's filling it with their dog poop and stuff like that, which means you're just adding more trash to this beautiful area. So lug your dog poop out of here. No one's coming up to get that trash. If someone does lug that out, you're a hero. But don't just add to that trash pile. Believe it or not, all this brown stuff is snow. Well, it's dirt on top of the snow, and we got some dirty snowboarding ahead of us. It looks like Midwest snowboarding, Damon, all over again. Doing the Lord's work, building the kicker. Kaiser, we're done. Man, we made cake of that, boys.
Easy.
Easy. Even for little D, he's been hiking like crazy in the summer.
I'm not soft no more.
Yeah.
I'm not soft.
He ain't soft. This snow's soft though, and I'm hyped. Now kids, I don't recommend this, but little D's built different. He's drinking that Colorado Aquafina. It's fine. This summer he's been working at the lake, just drinking lake water straight, so I don't think this will kill him. Do I want to start at literally the highest chunk of snow possible? I think I do. All right, we got Sean behind us with the drone, so we're gonna get some drone shots. It's gonna be sick. Got the boys ready. Looks like little D's going first. And he brought a camera. Can I have your footage? Yeah. Send it. I meant like send it and like, send it. Silly kid.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Oh. Y'all jump, we hear you jump.
Woo! It's a little dirty.
That is all just dirt.
Oh, it's like sandpaper. Hi, I'm sick. What up, Kaiser? You followed me. It rode worse than I thought it would, but also better than I thought it would. As weird as that sounds.
It made turns, so like counts.
No, it counts, dude. That was ripping, man. Little D. They told you no on the jump?
Yeah.
Let the skier hit the jump, guys. All right. The big brown parts feel like sandpaper, but thankfully you can still get an edge in. We got to go up again. We got one more line ahead of us. And then, remember that lake we saw? Well, there's a big old rock you can jump off of and into the water. We're going to do that. So don't go anywhere. This day's just getting started. Subscribe.
Who's we? You and Damon?
You afraid of the cold water?
I don't like cold water.
No cold water, Cody. Gotta go up there. That's a steep hike. This is real billy goating right here. We call these no fall zones because you don't want to fall here. You'll never regret fully pushing through, but you will regret not doing the whole thing. Remember that when it comes to the lake water, Cody.
You know, I've never regretted not getting hypothermia.
So because Kaiser decided to follow me that last run, we're sending Cody first, and Cody's
You guys are gonna take it easy.
have a good run, Kaiser.
Yep.
I found my drop spot. This is a little gnarly, man. It's steep, it's bumpy, it's crappy snow. It's gonna ride good. Biggest thing is don't drop your board in an area like this. And because I make videos, I always have a camera to also mess around with while I do all this stuff. It kind of sucks. And then we get sick videos, you know? It's one of the most underrated skills in snowboarding, being able to make yourself a proper platform to stand on any pitch, any situation. You need to know how to do that. Send it, little D. Oh yeah, dude. So for all the people that are like scraping away snow, make some turns. This is steep and bumpy, and all I care about when I ride terrain like this is being in control and controlling my speed. Just be in control. I don't care about looking pretty, but I always look pretty. All right, second drop. This should be sick. This one's steeper and bumpier. Here we go. Sorry. Ooh. Ah. We snowboarded. Woo! Heck yeah, Tristan. The leg burn, right? Dude, thanks for coming. It's always awesome when a plan comes together.
Yeah.
We snowboarded a lot, and our stuff is right there right when we get off. It's like we've done this before.
It's like we had a plan and followed through on it.
We gotta take our gear off now. These pants, it's too hot. What is that? What is that, Kaiser? All right, so the snow is really dirty, which means your snowboard gets really dirty. The other best part about going to the lake is you gotta wash your board off, so you're not hiking out with like the nastiest, dirtiest board. So let's walk over to the lake and give her a dip. Washy, washy.
That did not sound good.
Sound like someone jumped off the cliff you're about to jump off. Sounds like what you're about to do. Tristan's never jumped off a rock before. Good enough. You could be uncomfortable and life begins at the end of your comfort zone, Damon.
Where were you last night when we came out here?
Yeah, what the hell?
I was taking care of 2 children who woke up 3 times in the middle of the night. Alright, so where we're gonna jump is over this way. I was so excited to do it with the boys. They're like, oh, we're gonna have a session. Now everyone's telling me they don't want to get in cold water, scared to do it. It's like, man, I might be the only one jumping off the rock today. Ugh.
I've never once agreed to this cold water.
I just assumed because you go to, you should have brought your wetsuit. Well, here's the cliff. You just gotta get.
I'll probably climb down to that lower spot.
No, I'll show you. Follow me, Tristan. Just follow my steps, dog. I got you. Tristan's never done this before, so.
Yeah. This is like the newest experience I've had this all summer.
Hell yeah. Yeah, what up?
How you doing?
What's up? What's your name?
Dylan.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Dylan.
nice to meet you. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, dude! Tristan.
Oh my God.
It's funny because when you come up, you think you're dying.
That is exactly what I felt, man.
You're like, whoa, I'm dying. Oh, that was rad, Tristan. I'm proud of you, dude. I'm proud that it didn't take you 10 hours. Because some people are like, okay.
Oh, no, dude.
How does it go, Damon? You didn't want to go do that?
Hell no.
That was so fun. Woo! See, like, snowboarding, everything we did there, that didn't scare me. That was like, ah, we're doing this. Stuff like that, like, that's not my element. That scares me. I get a little, ooh. And then it's cold water, so I cold plunge. Woo! But that was our day at St. Mary's Glacier. We got a little walk out of here. I'm not going to make you guys hang around for that, but thank you so much for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.